So invariably with everything we're seeing happen with AI and the power of it and how fast it's moving, um, the question is being floated: can AI replace Maximo? Can AI replace SAP PM? Can AI replace pick a flavor of the CMMS out there? And well, maybe someday. Maybe that's going to take a lot of things happening and following the right path. Right now, no, it just can't. And the reason's not because it lacks the power. The reason is more simplistic. It lacks the context, and it lacks all of the integration required to the real world in order to do that. So when we look at what happens in the process of maintaining our assets, there are a tremendous number of inputs that go into that, and a lot of them aren't currently in technology or even on paper. A lot of them are still running around in somebody's head. A lot of them are when somebody looks around and sees the current environmental context, like the weather, and how that impacts what's going on and the decisions they're making. And so it's going to be a while before that happens. And let's just say if we leap forward to a point in time where AI has that ability to replace the CMMS, what we're left with is still a requirement for some sort of data repository that acts as that library, which is the training engine for AI. You still got to have data. It doesn't operate out of thin air. It operates on the data we feed it. And so that still has to exist. Well, how's that getting that data? Well, something's out there measuring all this stuff. Something's measuring the weather. Something is recording what my production plan is. Some system is doing all of this. So will the shape of software change? Absolutely, it's going to change. It has to, right? Because the pieces that humans have to interact with versus what tech will pick up are changing. And so the shape of the software that we're deploying is going to have to change. Will it be called a CMMS in 20 years? I don't know. It may not be, right? It may be the asset library. I don't know. But what we know for sure is that the path is humans create new ideas. We assimilate the information required. We define the processes. And then we continue to deploy technology to amplify our capabilities. And AI is just going to do that faster than robotics and other things have in the past. But that paradigm's not going to change anytime soon. That tech is not in front of us yet. So if you're wondering how it's going to affect you and your particular environment where you are, wondering if you're looking at making a move to another platform, if you're upgrading Maximo and wondering, well, how much should I be trying to pull AI into this? Hey, it's deep water, and there's a lot of thought that needs to be put into that. Those are great questions. So reach out. Let's talk about it. Give us a call. Hit us up, sales@banetti.com. Like, subscribe. Let's get going. Get ready with Banetti.